Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure liquidation risk alerts on CoinGlass, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser and navigate to the CoinGlass website. Once on the home page, locate the user account icon at the top right corner. Click on the icon to access your account options. If you do not have an account, sign up by providing the required information. Once you're logged in, find the dashboard section of the site. Look for the Alerts tab in the menu on the left side of the screen. Click on the Alerts tab to open the Alerts Management page. On this page, you will see options for different types of alerts. Select the Liquidation Risk Alert option. Next, configure your alert preferences based on your trading strategy. You will need to set a threshold for the liquidation risk percentage. Adjust this threshold using the slider or by entering a specific value. Specify the notification method you prefer for receiving alerts. This could include email, SMS, or in-app notifications. After selecting your notification method, review your settings for accuracy. Once you are satisfied with your configurations, click on the Save button. You should see a confirmation message indicating that your alert has been set. To ensure everything works, monitor your alerts as market conditions change. Regularly revisit your alert settings to adjust the thresholds as needed. This will help you stay ahead of potential liquidation risks in your trading activities. Remember to keep your contact information updated to receive timely notifications. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.